Hello everyone, you are welcome. In this video, I'm going to solve and find the value of this nice simplification math problem. That is 5 raised to power 7 minus 6. So here we will try to find the value of this. Here first of all we will change this 7 to the sum of 6 plus 1. And we will change this 6 to the sum of 5 plus 1. So this will become 5 raised to power 7 can be written as 6 plus 1 minus this 6 can be written as 5 plus 1. Here in this one term in this equation we will use an exponential math property and we will split these powers over this one base. So here we will use this one exponential property, a raised to power m plus n can also be written as a raised to power m times a raised to power n. So using this exponential property here, this equation will become is equal to, it will become 5 raised to power 6 times 5 raised to power 1 minus, here we will multiply this negative sign inside the parenthesis, so it will become minus 5 minus 1. Now what we will do here, we will take 5 common from the first two terms. So let us take 5 common. This will become, here 5 raised to power 6 is left minus, here only 1 is left minus this one. Now in next step we will factorize this power 6 to the product of 3 times 2. So this will become 5 times 5 raised to power 6. 6 is same as 3 times 2 minus 1 minus 1. Now again here in this one term we will use an exponential math property. So here we will use this one exponential math property, a raised to power m times n can also be written as a raised to power m whole raised to power n. So using this exponential property here in this one term, this equation will become five times, it will become 5 raised to power 3 whole raised to power 2 minus, here we can write this one as 1 square minus 1. Now here inside the parenthesis we will use an algebraic identity, a square minus b square. So here we will use this one algebraic identity inside the parenthesis, a square minus b square, which is equal to a minus b times a plus b. So using this identity here, this equation will become equal to 5 times, it will become 5 raised to power 3 minus 1 times 5 raised to power 3 plus 1 minus 1. Now here we will try to find the value of 5 raised to power 3 or 5 cube. Now here we need to multiply 5 3 times. So 5 times 5 is 25 and 25 times 5 is 125. So the value of 5 cube is 125. So here we will replace 5 cube with 125. So this equation will become 5 times, the value of 5 cube is 125 minus 1 times 125 plus 1 minus 1. So let us simplify these two numbers. So this will become 5 times, this is 124 times, this is 126, this is close, minus 1. Here we will try to multiply first these two numbers with each other. Here we can multiply these two numbers by simple multiplication, but there is an easiest way other than simple multiplication. That is, to change these two numbers to the sum of two numbers whose multiplication is simpler than the multiplication of these two numbers by ordinary multiplication. So here we can write these two numbers as 124 can also be written as 100 plus 24. Similarly, 126 can also be written as 100 plus 26. This is close minus 1. Here first we multiply this 100 with these two numbers, first with 100 and then with 26, and then we will multiply 24 with these two numbers. So this will become 5 braces open. Now 100 times 100 is 100 square, plus 100 times 26 is 26 times 0 is 0, 26 times 0 is 0, and 26 times 1 is 26, so it is 2600 plus. Now we will multiply 24 with these two numbers, first with 100 and then with 26. So 24 times 0 is 0, 24 times 0 is 0, and 24 times 1 is 24, so it is 2400 plus. Now here we need to multiply these two numbers, 24 with 26. So 24 times 26, braces close, minus 1. Now further this equation will become 5 times 100 square is 1 square is 1, and these two zeros will become double, so it will become 10,000 plus 2600 plus 2400 is 5000 plus. Here we need to multiply this 24 with 26 here, so we will multiply it here, 26 times 24. Here 6 times 4 is 24, so 4, 2 will be carried, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, so it is 104 times 6 times 2 is 12, 2, 1 will be carried, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, so this will become 4, 2, 6. So the product of 26 and 24 gives him 624. So here we will replace this product with this one value, 624. So the value of this product is 624, braces close, minus 1. Now here we need to add these three numbers first, and then we will multiply the sum with this number 5. So this will become 5 times, here we will start from the ones position, so 4 plus 0 is 4. Now 2 plus 0 is 2, 6 plus 0 is 6, comma 5 plus 0 is 5, and 1. So the sum of these three numbers gives him 15,624. Here we will multiply this number with 5. So again we will start from the ones position, 5 times 4 is 20, 0, 2 will be carried, 5 times 2 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, 2, 1 will be carried, 5 times 6 is 30, 30 plus 1 is 31, so 1, 3 will be carried. Now 5 times 5 is 25, 25 plus 3 is 28, 8, 2 will be carried, 5 times 1 is 5, 5 plus carried 2 is 7. So the product of these two numbers gives him 78,120 minus 1. So finally the subtraction of these two numbers gives him 78,119. So this is our final answer and value of 5 raised to power 7 minus 6. So finally 5 raised to power 7 minus 6 is equal to 78,119. So this is our required value and required answer. Thanks for watching.